Hi, in this tutorial I will explain how to create web service example using Axis 2. This web service will act as a provider and this will be running on the server side. I am using Eclipse to develop this example. In the Eclipse, select File, New, Dynamic Web Project. I am giving the project name as Test Web Service. In the Dynamic Web Module version, select 2.5. In the configuration section, select Modify. Select Axis 2 Web Services. Click OK button. Click Finish button. Here Eclipse will create the dynamic web project. We can see here Eclipse has created Test Web Service Dynamic Web Project. Now I will create a class which will act as a web service class. I will give the class name as Math Operations. It will be under package com. This class will contain a method called as getSomeResult. So this method will be called by other web service clients. So after this, select the project, right click, new, click other option. So under web services, select web service, click next button. Here we need to select the class which will act as web service class. I selected Math Operations. Then click on Web Service Runtime Apache Axis option. Here select Apache Axis 2. Okay, sorry, before doing this, I will cancel these steps. We will do again. Before doing this, I will start the Tomcat server. The reason is, before we make this math operation as a web service, we require the Tomcat server to be started. So in the Tomcat server, I am going to add the test web service project. Okay, click finish. So that means this test web service will be running under the server Tomcat v7.0. Now I will start the Tomcat server. So the server is getting started here. So there are some issues. So what I will do is I will remove some of the unwanted projects. Click finish. Start the server again. Okay, so finally the Tomcat is started now. So after this, select the project, right click, go to new, other, under web services, select web service. So the service implementation, click on browse, select the class. So I am selecting math operations as the web service class. Then select web service runtime option. Select Apache Axis 2. Okay. Next. Next. Click finish button. So the web service is created. Now to test whether the web service is created properly or not, right click the project and select run as, run on server. Click finish. Now we are just testing whether web service is created successfully or not. So if you get this screen, that means the web service is created successfully. Just to ensure, I will click on validate option. So if everything is fine, you will see screen like this. So if there are no errors, that means your web service is created successfully. So this is how we make web service as a provider. So these are the steps we need to follow to create web service example. That's the end of tutorial. Thank you.